Hello everyone, a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we will cover part 2 of banking awareness for the month of March. It will be a continuous monthly MCQ series. I have uploaded videos in the playlist section of my channel. You will find March part 1, January whole series, February whole series in the playlist section of my channel. So, this will be a regular series for SBI Junior Associate, SBI Probationary Officers, IBPS Mains, RRB Mains, RBI Assistant Mains, RBI Grade B Prelims exam. We will cover banking and financial awareness of each month in 4 parts. Each part will have 10 plus MCQs and overall we'll cover 50 plus MCQs for every month. Now let's talk about the weightage of banking awareness, financial awareness section. Around 15 plus question out of 40 comes directly from banking awareness, financial awareness section in IBPS mains, SBI mains, RBI assistant mains exam. In RBI grade B prelims exam, around 25 plus question appear from banking awareness section. Before covering MCQs, I will give you a brief background of banking sector mergers and bank headquarters. So Oriental Bank of Commerce and Union Bank of India are merged into Punjab National Bank. Syndicate has merged into Canara Bank. Allahabad Bank merged into Indian Bank. Dena and Vijaya Bank merged into Bank of Baroda. Now I will tell you a shortcut trick to remember bank headquarters. If any bank name contains Bank of India in its name, their headquarters is in Mumbai. For example, Bank of India headquarters is in Mumbai. Central Bank of India headquarters is in Mumbai. IDBI Bank, that is Industrial Development Bank of India, Mumbai. State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India headquarters is in Mumbai. They contain Bank of India in their name. If bank name starts with Indian, their headquarters is in Chennai, like Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank. If bank name starts with Punjab, their headquarters is in New Delhi, like Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. If bank name starts with United, its headquarters is in Kolkata, like United Bank of India. Let's begin our MCQ series. Dash launched Bachat Plus, an individual life insurance savings plan. So, which insurance company launched Bachat Plus? It is LIC. LIC Bachat Plus. What was the new feature launched by NPCI on Beam UPI, a part of its DigiHelp stack? So Beam UPI is an app. So NPCI has launched a new feature. The name of the feature is UPI Help. UPI Help, new feature by NPCI on Beam UPI. Next question. Axis Bank is the third largest private sector bank in India after HDFC and ICICI. It started its operation in 1994. It was founded in 1993. The question is, who is MD and CEO of Axis Bank? MD and CEO of Axis Bank is Amitabh Chaudhary. Next question. Dash collaborated with Arya, post-harvest agriculture technology provider, to support farmers for effective market linkage. So which bank collaborated with Arya? Canara Bank collaborated with Arya. Canara Bank, Arya, post-harvest agriculture technology provider, support farmers, effective market linkage. Can remember that. Next question. Dash Bank topped in the digital payment scorecard released by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for 3 consecutive months. Understandably, it was State Bank of India. State Bank of India has the largest customer base for an Indian bank, and so, but naturally it will top in the digital payment scorecard released by Ministry of Electronics and IT. SBI topped digital payment scorecard. What is the revised minimum initial public offering that shall be allotted by large companies according to SEBI? So minimum IPO limit, sorry, revised minimum IPO for large companies according to SEBI is 5%. Next question. Dash launched $100 billion credit guarantee scheme for India's rooftop solar program. किसने लॉन्च की है? वर्ल्ड बैंक. वर्ल्ड बैंक लॉन्च 100 मिलियन क्रेडिट गारंटी स्कीम फॉर इंडियाज रूफटॉप सोलर प्रोग्राम. वर्ल्ड बैंक रूफटॉप सोलर प्रोग्राम $100 million. वर्ल्ड बैंक रूफटॉप सोलर प्रोग्राम $100 million. So this was part 1 of banking awareness, financial awareness section for the month of March. January series, February series already uploaded in the playlist section. ये सीरीज दिसंबर तक चलेगी. अक्टूबर में आपका IBPS का प्रीलिम्स का एग्ज़ाम होगा, प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर्स का, और नवंबर या दिसंबर में इसका मेंस एग्ज़ाम होगा. तो ये सीरीज तब तक चलेगी. RRB का उसके पहले हो जाएगा, और ये सीरीज उसके लिए भी बेनिफिशियल है. जूनियर सीट का तो जुलाई में ही हो जाएगा, तो जुलाई तक तो ये सीरीज डेफिनेटली चलेगी. मैं ये इसका प्रबंधन करूँगा कि आपको एग्ज़ाम के एक दिन पहले तक का बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस मैं कवर करा दूंगा इसमें, और इसका PDF मैं मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल में अवेलेबल करा दूंगा. टेलीग्राम चैनल का नाम है @Mr. लोकेश कंसल्टेंसी, या फिर सर्च सेक्शन में टाइप कीजिए मिस्टर लोकेश कंसल्टेंसी, तो आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल दिख जाएगा. और इसका जो ये 4 पार्ट्स है, ये आपको प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन में अरेंज करके मिल जाएंगे सिस्टमेटिकली. तो ऐसे आपको जो MCQ सीरीज में सिस्टमेटिकली अरेंज करके मंथ वाइज 4 पार्ट में आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे. और 4 पार्ट में मैं क्यों डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि एक पार्ट 30-40 मिनट का बनता है, और ये बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस थोड़ा बोरिंग होता है कंपेयर्ड विथ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स या फिर नेशनल अफेयर्स या फिर इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स, क्योंकि इसमें आपको सिर्फ रट्टा मारना होता है. नेशनल अफेयर्स में थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट आता है, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी जो है वो भारत दौरे पे करते हैं, वो कोई कंट्री में जाते हैं, कई कई समिट्स में जाते हैं, तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है. बट ये बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस थोड़ा मोनोटोनस हो जाता है. तो इसके लिए मैंने इसको 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, ताकि आपका अटेंशन स्पैन है वो बना रहे. ठीक है, वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर कर देना, चैनल पे नए होंगे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना. धन्यवाद. मिलते हैं पार्ट 3 में.